Videos for grade 7 for your multiple choice package, question 32 in your review package. So in this case, we did go over this in class on Friday, so everyone should be fine now because we did several questions like this on the board, but since it was sent to me as a request, I'm going to make sure I go over it. So in this case, this is still an order of operations question. Okay, you still have to follow those rules. You actually always have to follow those rules, so make sure that you, anytime you have some kind of math equation in front of you, you look at them. Okay, but when we talk about bed mass, when you have the category that is exponents, okay, the opposite of exponents are roots. And we learned about square roots and cube roots. Most of the time, you're only going to have to do square root because you don't have a calculator, so it will be very hard for you to calculate anything else. So you'll have to do square roots, but within your 12 times table. So what I mean by that is that we're still following order of operations. I don't have any brackets, but where I have exponents, I'm going to do my square roots. So square root of 144, that's asking you what number, when you multiply it by itself, gives you 144. So you should have memorized this from your times tables. So 12 times 12 makes 144. So in this case, my square root of 144 is 12. Okay, and my square root of 121, so what number multiplied by itself gets 121? So that would be 11. So it's 12 minus, 11. And now you're just doing the subtraction that's left. So you have 12 minus 11 equals 1. So the answer would be B. Okay, so you are going to have questions like this on your, you have a question like this in your exam, but I believe it has to do with multiplying roots, which is what we were doing on the board on Friday. So if you had like the square root of 144 times the square root of 121, then you would be doing 12 times 11. Okay, so if you have any questions about that, you can send me an email if you're still not sure about it, or you can come to the review session on Monday after school.